In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can easily fix full screen not showing on YouTube in 2024. So that's quite simple and easy, but before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So first of all, I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the same steps on your Android. So first of all, you will have to scroll down from the top right, and you'll have to make sure that this lock with an arrow is toggled on right here. Basically, this is a portrait orientation lock, and if it's turned on, it will not allow your device to rotate. So make sure that it's toggled off. Now if you go to YouTube and we play a random video right here, for example, I search for NASA. Let's open a random video right here. Yes.
The first
Now I've got two options. In the video, you can find on the bottom right is a full screen option. You can tap on it and you can simply rotate your phone to the landscape and it will automatically show you the full screen. So that's how you can easily fix full screen not showing on YouTube on both Android and iPhone in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.